Is your Volkswagen Golf displaying a black screen instead of Apple CarPlay? Let's fix your connection in under 3 minutes. Over 80% of infotainment blackouts are caused by faulty lightning cables or loose USB connections. Time to isolate the hardware from the software. Start by swapping your cable, clearing debris from your charging port, and performing a hard reset on the infotainment unit. If hardware is fine, double-check your iOS settings and ensure the vehicle is not restricted by parental controls. Sometimes the handshake between your phone and the car simply needs a quick refresh to restore the display. Most issues are solved at home, but if the screen remains black, you might be looking at a deeper firmware or hardware failure. The data shows that simple cable swaps resolve the vast majority of black screen complaints in Volkswagen vehicles. If you're still stuck, use an OBD-I scanner to check for hidden codes or inspect the fuse box for any blown circuits. Keep a high-quality cable and a basic code reader in your glove box to save yourself a trip to the dealer. Remember, the simplest fix is usually the right one, so start with that cable before you worry about the car itself. If this guide helped you restore your CarPlay, hit that like button and subscribe for more VW maintenance tips.